Happiness. Happiness is a feeling we all seek. It is a state of well-being and joy. Happiness can come from many sources. It can be a moment or a long-lasting feeling. In this essay, we will explore what happiness means, where it comes from, and how we can find it in our lives. Happiness is a positive emotion. It makes us feel good. When we are happy, we often smile. We laugh more and enjoy life. Happiness can be different for everyone. For some, it comes from achievements. For others, it is about relationships or experiences. It can be as simple as enjoying a sunny day or as complex as achieving a lifelong goal. Many people think happiness is the absence of sadness. However, happiness is more than just feeling good. It includes having a sense of purpose. It means finding joy in everyday moments. Happiness can coexist with sadness. It is possible to feel happy even when life is tough. There are many sources of happiness. They can be categorized into different areas: relationships, achievements, experiences, and self-care. Relationships are one of the biggest sources of happiness. Friends and family provide support and love. They share our joys and help us during tough times. Good relationships make us feel connected. Spending time with loved ones can boost our mood. Simple activities, like having dinner together or going for a walk, can create happiness. Achievements can also bring happiness. When we set goals and reach them, we feel proud. This pride boosts our confidence and self-esteem. Achievements can be big or small. Completing a project at work, finishing a book, or learning a new skill can all lead to happiness. The sense of accomplishment is rewarding and fulfilling. Experiences create memories that bring joy. Traveling to new places, trying new foods, or attending events can lead to happiness. Experiences allow us to learn and grow. They often provide a break from our routines. New experiences can spark excitement and wonder. Happiness often comes from being open to new things. Taking care of ourselves is essential for happiness. Self-care can include activities like exercising, eating healthy, and getting enough sleep. When we feel good physically, we are more likely to feel good emotionally. Hobbies and interests also contribute to our happiness. Spending time doing what we love brings joy. It allows us to express ourselves and recharge our spirits. Happiness can also be found in simple moments. Watching a beautiful sunset, listening to our favorite music, or enjoying a good book can all bring happiness. These small pleasures are important. They remind us to appreciate life's little joys. Practicing gratitude can enhance our happiness. When we take time to notice what we are thankful for, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have. This change in perspective can lead to greater happiness. Mindfulness is another way to enhance happiness. Being present in the moment allows us to fully experience life. It helps us appreciate what we have and reduces stress. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing, can help us become more aware of our thoughts and feelings. This awareness can lead to a deeper understanding of what makes us happy. Happiness is also linked to helping others. Acts of kindness can boost our mood. When we help someone else, we often feel good about ourselves. Volunteering or supporting friends can create a sense of connection. These positive actions can bring joy not only to others but also to ourselves. Creating a positive impact in the lives of others enhances our sense of purpose and fulfillment. It is essential to remember that happiness is not a constant state. It is normal to have ups and downs. Life has its challenges, and it is okay to feel sad or stressed sometimes. Recognizing our emotions is part of being human. The key is to find ways to cope and return to happiness. Developing resilience helps us navigate life's difficulties. When we bounce back from setbacks, we grow stronger and more capable of finding joy again. Setting realistic expectations is also crucial. Sometimes, we may chase happiness in the wrong places. We may think that money, success, or material possessions will bring us happiness. While these things can provide temporary joy, true happiness comes from within. It is about how we feel about ourselves and our lives. Focusing on what truly matters, relationships, experiences, and self-acceptance, can lead to lasting happiness. In conclusion, happiness is a complex and multifaceted emotion. It can come from relationships, achievements, experiences, and self-care. Finding joy in simple moments and practicing gratitude can enhance our happiness. Mindfulness and acts of kindness also play significant roles. While happiness is not a constant state, it is essential to recognize that ups and downs are part of life. By understanding the sources of happiness and learning to cope with challenges, we can create a fulfilling and joyful life. In the end, happiness is a journey, not a destination. It is about embracing life with all its joys and sorrows. When we seek happiness from within and appreciate the world around us, we open ourselves to a richer and more meaningful existence. By focusing on what truly matters, we can find happiness in everyday life and share that joy with others.